Nirmal Bang is one of the leading stockbroking companies in India. Here, I want to particularly mention Beyond Market. Beyond Market is a monthly magazine from Nirmal Bang which summarizes all market related events. If you have missed tracking markets and want to know what has happened in the previous month or just to summarize previous month events, Beyond Market can come for a great help. So, flip through Beyond Market magazine for news on finance, economy, stock market basics, commodities, mutual funds, and insurance. Nirmal Bang's Beyond Market magazine contains the following index: Beyond Thinking, Beyond Analysis, Beyond Basics, Beyond Numbers, Beyond Learnings, and Beyond Buzz. Beyond Thinking covers economic situation, monthly updates, market movement, sectors and industries in news. Beyond Basics is about new trends and market environment. In Beyond Analysis, they research a particular company and analyze as to how company is likely to grow considering favorable situations. Here, they consider company's background, product profile, business model, investment rationale, risks and concerns, and at last financials. Coming to Beyond Numbers, it is all about technical outlook and mutual fund recommendations. At last, Beyond Learnings and Beyond Buzz is about imparting education relating to finance and investments. Stockadda.com is for online investors community. It brings investment community in India closer to each other and encourages sharing of ideas, thoughts, conversations, and altogether collaboration of knowledge. Now this will empower you to make smarter and well-informed investment decisions. Here I want to particularly mention about conference call audios. Most of us neglect management interview transcripts just because they are overloaded with information and are also time consuming to read. On a caution note, when someone is interested in buying a small cap stock or a mid cap stock or an undiscovered stock, then neglecting news from management can turn costly. In such a situation, just a simple solution can be listening to conference call audios. So this website comes for a great help. Just log in and search for companies in your watch list. Listen to conference calls to get better updated. With Stockadda.com, You get recent con call audios, transcripts, presentations, quarterly or annual reports, and management interviews. Though there is a YouTube channel, not all conference calls are uploaded, so stick to website. By the way, you can also submit con calls, reports, and presentations. Friends, these days, news is more about opinions rather than information. To get myself updated about developments in industries and policies, I prefer ASSOCHAM. Do consider their press releases and press coverages. At least once in a while, go through their press coverage. India Brand Equity Foundation IBEF website is one of the most popular platforms for data relating to Indian economy and business. IBEF is working with an objective of sharing knowledge of India's products and services. IBEF's website is a knowledge center for investors seeking updated, accurate, and comprehensive information on Indian economy, states, and sectors. IBF brings out bi-monthly business magazines. IBF also publishes communication resources like posters, films, magazine, industry reports to promote Indian business story. Simply log into IBF website to subscribe to their services and stay updated. News. IBF provides latest news on Indian economy to keep updated on current state of commercial affairs. And also, it gives vital inputs on various sectors of Indian economy. IBF regularly tracks government announcements in policy, foreign investment, macroeconomic indicators, and business trends. State reports. IBF State Reports gives a comprehensive analysis of various states in India, be it state budget, or doing business policies, or infrastructure status. IBF State Reports has it all. IBF State Reports have emerged as a very popular source for information on Indian states. Sector reports. Starting from the traditional industries like textiles and manufacturing to modern industries like e-commerce and renewable energy, IBF sector reports covers a wide range of 35 industries and presents information across various important parameters. IBF sector reports present various trends and facts about India's vibrant business ecosystem. The report also features a broad range of business analysis and key economic data statistics. Therefore, it is a valuable resource to get updated with India's market and latest business developments. The website also enjoys high reputation and wide reach among policymakers, researchers, trade bodies, entrepreneurs, and investors, among others. Sodhganga. Sodhganga provides a platform for research students to deposit their PhD thesis and make it available to the entire scholarly community in open access. I cannot explain how much reading thesis can help. Not very often we see research work finding its way into various publication channels. The only way to get such research work is through thesis. So, how to go about it? Search any title or keyword. You will find list of all theses relating to the title. You can also customize to recent years and language, as I prefer recent thesis. You will find uploaded information in the same sequence the way one submits a thesis. Now I am going to explain how thesis research work can help us in stock market. You must have heard about relative valuation, right? Stock market discounts so much on share price considering relative valuation. Relative valuation is something where market, keeping aside the intrinsic value of share price, considers how a company is performing among its peer groups. So, in-depth industry analysis is important at comparable levels. But mind you, no two companies are actually comparable even though they relate to same industry due to various business models, various management policies, group company interactions, and so on. If I have to take another example as to how thesis can help us in stock market, I would consider ratio analysis. Let's say I want to consider liquidity ratio. It may be an important metric for FMCG industry, but it may not be the same for software industry. So, the scope of analysis and metrics also change from industry to industry. To get used to this kind of investment style, that is, relative valuation, reading thesis can confer a great help. For this reason, I feel theses are rich and unique source of information. Thesis remains an untapped and underutilized asset. You would not only appreciate person's research capabilities, but just imagine someone compiles so much of information in a precise manner that it turns as knowledge, and now it is available to you at free of cost. The only way to gain wealth in stock market is to invest with clarity and conviction. For someone new to this thought process of relative valuation and struggling to find information among companies that can be comparable, these theses can come for a great help.